Jonathan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this lovely Kawasaki Z900 Performance. So this one is 2019, it's in 6,909 miles from new. Looks fantastic, and it is a performance. It has got the Akrapovic exhaust. It's also got a tail tidy, it's also got a dark screen on the front there as well. It's got a radiator guard, and this one's also been lowered slightly as well. But we do have the standard links if you want to put it back up to full height. It's a dead easy job, so that can be sorted. But really popular bikes are these. It is the full power model, and you get a nice digital display there in the middle with a gear indicator on it. But they come with ABS, and they're just all around brilliant bikes. We sell loads and loads and loads of these. Really popular, really good value for money. And if you fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.